close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
YouTube, what's up guys? Hey, hope everyone's having a great Friday. Welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys enjoyed that Lotus video that we did. It's looking really good. If you guys didn't know, I have a Lotus ELISE turboed. This is a 2ZZ pinnacle. Like, there's nothing better than this. Best platform in my opinion for it, and the best performance because it's 2ZZ 4-sped turboed, which is amazing. But today, as you guys saw, we are installing or test fitting the TRD high style spoiler. So when you guys saw that I picked this up, it came with those original little like clips, the 4 plugs, which is rare. They're usually broken off, but today I'm gonna cut them off. I know the previous owner's like, they're still on there. I'm like, yeah, that's cool, but I actually don't need them. This is a direct fit to the Tsunami. I read a couple comments saying, hey, that doesn't fit, you're gonna have to drill new holes. That's not true. This fits directly. The TRD high style spoiler fits right in there. We're not painting it yet, but we will be soon. So I'm just gonna show you guys how to install this, and we're gonna drive around with the TRD. I'm not gonna wire it today because I would have to rewire it when I remove it to get it painted, so I don't wanna do that. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like, and we'll install it. Okay, so currently here is the 3PO, or not 3PO, 040, sorry. 040 white by Toyota. They call it, I think it's called the super white. My first car was this color, really cool. TRD high style OEM. So what I'm gonna do actually right now is flip this over and show you what I need to do before I start to install it on the Tsunami Celica. All right, so this is the underside of an OEM. Someone asked, how do you know if it's an OEM? There's part numbers. It'll say it right there. It'll say it Toyota. It's actually right here. Can you guys see that? It says it right there on the third brake light. There's usually a part number underneath here that'll show you as well. And then also when you bring off the end caps, you can find it. So these are the mounting points that are gonna be holding the spoiler in. And then you guys remember we cut those other ones off for the to look flush, to go wingless. These are the little tabs that he was talking about. So I'm not gonna drill little holes and then put push pins in them. I'm gonna actually cut these off. So there's 4 mounting points actually, or 6 I guess with the studs, but today we're gonna be cutting these off. Okay, so I just snipped those off, and then I did a little bit of sanding on it, so it's pretty flush. Should be okay. You guys can kind of see it there. What we're gonna do now is I'm gonna go out to the car and I'm gonna remove those magnets, and then we're gonna mount this bad boy. Again, this is gonna be pretty easy. It's gonna be the same as the Tsunami spoiler. So back out to the Tsunami, those are those magnets that were filling up the hole. I did a really good job with those. What we're gonna do is we're just gonna pull those out right now. So I'm gonna go inside of here, lift up the hatch, and pull those out. Once again, I had to remove that rear plastic. I did the Phillips head, and then I just yanked on it, and then now we have the exposed where the magnets were, and that's where we're gonna be mounting the Okay, so once the magnets are removed, you guys should be able to see the light coming through. Yeah, see that? So that's where the TRD wing's gonna come through, these 2 holes. So let's go ahead and grab it. All right, this is like one of the easiest wing installs. No extra drilling or anything. I don't know if you guys can see. Can you guys see in there? There it is. That right there. Right there. Can you see it? It's hard to get the angle on there. Anyways, there's 4 bolts. So 1 here, 1 there, 1 here, and 1 there. And it fits all OEM. It fits exactly where the Tsunami is. So now let's go ahead and button this back up, and then I'll go into a nice lit garage and show you guys. And I'll do a nice cinematic edit for Friday, and I hope you guys enjoy it. But test fitting the TRD wing. Thing is huge. It's gonna be hilarious in white with the gray, but it'll look good when it's all done. So yeah, I'm really excited to get it all done. It'll look really good when this is black too, that part right there. All right, so we've officially test fitted the wing. Fits like OEM. Oh wait, because it is OEM. So it fits perfectly fine. You don't have to drill any extra holes. It mounts right to where the Tsunami holes are. You will have to remove those little hard plastic clips if you do this. Most of the time they're removed already, like 99% of the time. If you have an OEM TRD style, you'll want that for extra bracing, but this is fine. It's not gonna go anywhere. These are really, I've ran TRD wings like this every time I've had them. They're usually like this unless it's factory, but I mean, this thing is so sturdy on here. When I go to mount it, I will use a 3M tape, or I'll use like a cushion so that I do not permanently ruin the Tsunami paint in case I want to go back to the Tsunami wing. That being said though, I do have the ability to switch it in and out over the weekend. So literally 4 bolts, remove the plastic and then 4 bolts, and I can do different wings. So that's pretty cool. This is a very visible time that the Tsunami kit looks much different than the TRD kit, which I like this one a lot with the TRD wing. Mark my words, when we do the color and we match it to the same color, you guys are gonna love it. It's gonna look so good. Make sure to hit the like button for that. Another thing that I really noticed was my car needs tint really bad. It looks dorky like this. So when I get like a 15 or 20% tint on it, it's really gonna make it look way more aggressive. So I'm really excited. I'm still liking these wheels. I think they look pretty cool. But once I get the wing dark and then get the brake rotors red, it's gonna look awesome. This build's gonna look good. So we're starting to get there. It just takes some work. I think this is pretty unique looking. I like it now a lot. There's the Tsunami kit, Tsunami side skirt, Tsunami front with a TRD high style. That looks pretty sexy in my opinion. I will also order another lip spoiler. I forgot about that. I need to order it. I haven't ordered it yet. But I'll order a lip spoiler that sits along here to give it that extra little that little kick. And then I will show you guys how to wire the third brake light, and I'll have it where the third brake light comes on when I do this. So like when you come into the car and you do 1 click forward like that, the brake lights come on. I'll wire it to those brake lights. So then the third brake light is on, and then when I press the brake, these will light up, and then that will light up too when I press the brake. And I think that'll look pretty darn aesthetic. Yeah, definitely. Guys, make sure to subscribe, make sure to hit the like button for the Celica. Go check out the Lotus video, the one before this. I'm really loving my Lotus build, but I think this build looks cool too. I got an Evo and an MR2. The MR2 is pretty much done. It just needs a tune. It's like beautiful. I've been driving it a lot daily. It's really enjoyable. Evo needs some more go fast parts on it. And then this car is really coming together. And then the Lotus, we'll probably go pick up the front clam this weekend. So I've got a lot of projects going on, a lot of good content on YouTube. So again, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe guys, have a great weekend, and I'll see you on the next video.